Hi, my name's Wes. I'm here doing some work for Maniacs Garage, and what we're going to be doing today is kind of laying out the templates and sewing some pieces for the center console. We're going to be laying out a pattern here so that we know how to transfer it onto the material. Once we get everything kind of patterned out, we'll throw it in the machine and sew it up. So the other day when your dad was here, I was kind of showing him how I have this padded and patterned out, and we were trying to bring it up a little bit more to make it deeper. But we ran into an issue with the material that he has. It's a little bit too thin for the sewing machine to work, so it kind of bunches up real bad. So we're gonna have to assess that and kind of before we can start. As you can see, it kind of lays out wrong, but we'll get it figured out. What we're working on here is the center console where the tablet goes, and John had mentioned that he wanted the tablet to kind of sink in a little more, so we had to add a little foam to it. We got the suede cover done with the red stitching. We're going to try to get it to stick now. Hopefully everything works out. So we finished the dash. It was a little easier to wrap than I was going to think it was going to be. Everything clearanced out for the vents, the hazard lights, and then the tablet pad sunk in there really nice. It's got a good, sleek, kind of sporty look. I think that's what we're going for on this build. So that one's done. On to the next.
All right, so we're at a part now where we're gonna glue this suede onto the door panel. All the rest of the panels got done by the upholstery shop, but the door panel wasn't quite ready yet. You ready?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. All right, so we want to do a little before and after. Let's see how cool this Dynamat stuff is. So, not super scientific, but let's tap this panel with a hammer. Very tinny, right? So let's throw, this is just a 6 by 18 inch sheet of Dynamat Super Light. I'm just gonna place it on there where I had marked, where we've got clearance on our doors. Use this super cool roller from Dynamat, thank you very much. It works awesome. If you have bubbles, it says to poke it with a knife, and you can pop the bubbles. Let's see if this sounds any different. That's a big difference.
That's awesome.
Thank you, Dynamat. Awesome product.
Everybody pass right this way.
What are you working on there, Ryan?
I am doing the last tightening round on the nuts for the panels.
That's cool. What is this, door panel?
This is the driver's passenger's door panel. I got one more nut.
Let's flip it over, let's see it.
Check this out.
Oh man, that looks so cool. Tucked in.
Turned out great, man.
Let's start throwing some interior in. What do you say?
Absolutely, let's do
Is
it.
it time?
It is time.
What time is it anyway?
Like 11:30, 12 o'clock.
I'd say it's at least 12 o'clock. That would be midnight, one day before we gotta leave, and this is what the car looks like. But hey, it's getting there. Dynamat in the ceiling, in the doors, on the back of the panels, on all the other panels as well. But we still have a little ways to go. But hey, look, headlights are in, making progress. Hood hinges are on, windshield, all the windows are in. And we're gonna start putting these back panels in right now. Right here like this.
Through the maze of tubes.
Fortunately, it's mostly wrapped.
Yeah.
The bottom still has some screws sticking out.
Oh yeah, first panel in.
I like it.
First panel in, and it's coming back out for real quick, but we're gonna put this in right now.